Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 10 best ways to make money online. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. People all over the world can make money in many different ways on the internet. You can easily find ways to make money online, whether you are 10 years old or 70 years old even. There are many ways to make money, and each person needs to find the right one based on his or her education, experience, expertise, skill sets, and interest. We will talk about the 10 best ways to make money online in this video. 1. Info links. If you have a website or blog with good content about a certain subject, you can register it with info links. They give their members advertising in the text. You've probably seen content text links to different sites and different article directories. These are nothing but in-text advertising. It is a great way to make money on the internet. 2. Build a niche store. This is another way to make money online quickly. It lets you make online stores based on content and make money with eBay's affiliate program. It's easy and people are making a lot of money from it. 3. AdBright. With AdBright, you can sell unused space on your website or blog for text ads and make a good amount of money. 4. Amazon Affiliate Program. If you are an Amazon affiliate marketer, you can send visitors directly to Amazon or set up a shopping section or store on your website or blog to make money online quickly. Amazon will always take care of your visitors and give you a high conversion rate and a good commission. 5. Amazon Seller. If you are creative enough to make something that's in high demand on the market right now, you can easily become an Amazon seller and start selling your products online to make more money. 6. Yahoo Merchant Solutions. You can always count on Yahoo Merchant Solutions if you want to open an online store and sell your goods or services. They offer good services for little money. 7. Azure Leads. It is a lot like AdBright. You can make money with Azure Leads if you let advertisers use some of the space on your website or blog. There are a lot of well-known advertisers on Azure Leads, which makes it a great way to make money. 8. Bidvertiser. It is another great way to make money and find out how much your website ads are really worth. Put ads on Bidvertiser and use the PPC program to make money. You will always see the highest bid for the ad space on your website. This gives you a chance to make a lot of money. 9. Blog. If you don't want to make websites or use other ways to make money online, you can always make your own blog about something you are interested in. Update it regularly, plan and place good ads, and make steady money for a long time. And the last one, 10. Commission Junction. It is another well-known affiliate program site where websites and blog owners can join for free and take advantage of great opportunities. Once you've signed up with Commission Junction, you can choose from 1,000 merchants and put their ads on your website. Publishers have a good chance of making money online based on how well their work does and the terms set by merchants. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.